Welcome to the MacLean Senior Industries drop installation product demonstration. Although over the years, the actual cable that we use for broadband has not changed much, the way we handle it has changed quite significantly. With today's digital systems with broadband internet, telephony with 911 emergency services, video on demand, the cable has become more important than ever. So we have to make sure that we handle it in the correct way. The old way of doing things is that you used to use the messenger itself in what they called a 2-4-4 wrap method, where you use the messenger to hang the cable in between the pole and the house. There's a couple reasons we want to get away from that in today's environment. Firstly, when you're using the messenger and you're wrapping that first 4 where the messenger is going back over itself before it goes around the cable, you're stressing the minimum bend radius of this messenger. A lot of times if you have a truck roll for a service call and you go there and the drop is down, you will notice that's right where it's going to break. Second problem that you can have is when you do the next 4 where you take the messenger around the cable itself, you can have 2 problems. One, you're coiling the steel wire around the coax, which can work like a notch filter. And secondly, when the cable is under tension due to wind load or ice load or a tree branch of something of that nature stressing the cable, it'll indent. And if you take it apart, you'll see that there's little pressure indentations on the coax. That can change the impedance of the cable, causing signal degradation and packet loss.